Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to enable pop-up in Chrome. Friends, normally we don't need pop-ups, but for any specific work, if you need pop-ups in your Chrome browser, then you need to open Chrome web browser. Now here press on three dots. Now press on settings. Now here scroll it little down. Now here you will find site settings. Press on it. Now scroll it little down. And here under content you will find pop-ups and redirects. Press on it. Now from here you can enable site can send pop-ups and use redirects. So from here you can enable it. So friends, like this you can very easily enable pop-ups in your Chrome browsers. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.